Hello student, I'm Veena Dikshit. Please like and subscribe my channel. All the best, get success my child. Practice makes a man perfect, so you have to practice. You write down everything and you have to learn. Basically, when you learn it, one of the question you can see in your competitive exam. All the best my child. Now, heating effect on mono and dicarboxylic acid. Oxalic acid, succinic acid, benzoic acid and phthalic acid they have given, and asking which acid give anhydride on heating. So we will search oxalic acid, succinic this. So answer is phthalic acid and succinic acid. So first we will discuss this. Phthalic acid, what is phthalic acid? Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. This is one COH group, this is second COH group. When we will heat it, so water will be lost, dehydration takes place and we will get phthalic anhydride. And now oxalic acid, what will happen? When we will heat oxalic acid, decarboxylation, carbon monoxide and water both takes place. Okay, decarboxylation as well as dehydration takes place, but will not get anhydride. Okay, and they are asking anhydride. Clear to you? So we are not getting anhydride although water is lost. Now this is succinic acid 1,4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,4 butane dioic acid. Okay, this is called succinic acid. On heating, water is lost. OH and O will be lost from here, and here OH and H will be lost. So water will be lost here and we'll get succinic anhydride. Draw the structure. See, C double bond O, this will remain as such. This whole will remain as such. I will tell you this will remain as such. Clear? So this will remain as such. So that is why draw just like me. My drawing. Okay, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CO. Then when water will be lost, all these things will be out. Only these two carbon are connected with O. So it is not that much difficult if you know how to draw butane dioic acid 1,4. First carbon and last carbon, fourth carbon bearing, having this CH group, starting numbering from 1 carboxylic acid and add 2 carboxylic acid. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when you know this, then you will easily do that. Now this is finished over here. Oxalic acid, I told you that it will not form anhydride, and benzoic acid also does not form anhydride on heating. Now this question is ended. Finish. Now one question I was thinking that I will give you, that pyruvic acid on heating, what will happen? So it will break away, it will give you CO2 and CO and H2O. Decarboxylation takes place and dehydration also. But here when we will use pyruvate decarboxylate, at that moment this CO2 will be lost and we will get acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. On the